Hello, teacher librarians. I am here to demonstrate how to add each homeroom teacher's email to the homeroom so that you can send out automated email notices in as yet another strategy to help recover overdue books. So I am using the Austin Elementary School site as an example. Thank you, Miss Earl. We will go to Admin, Site Configuration, and then over on this very last tab, Site Administration. So to review, that was Admin, Site Configuration, Site Administration. And then we are going to click the pencil icon to edit the homerooms. Now here we see 5 columns. This is the name of the homeroom, which is the teacher's name, last name, and then first name. The person who has been identified as the supervisor of that homeroom, and that is what we do. That does not come in from Infinite Campus. We, as teacher librarians, determine the supervisor for each homeroom. That's what this video is about. We see email addresses. We see that email to is undefined. That's okay, we only need one. And then we have the edit and trash can icons. So if we scroll down, we see that all of these are valid email addresses, and then we get to these two, which show us that they are undefined. And that is what you will do, is define who the supervisor is and what the email address is. And it's really pretty simple. So we'll start with this homeroom, last name Keen. We're going to go all the way across. And if you hover over the edit, you should see the name. There we go, edit, Keen. And then at the top, it says, quite frankly, what we're doing. We're editing this homeroom, and that's the name of the homeroom. Now here's the thing, that's the name of the person that we want to add as supervisor. So I'm going to click and drag to highlight the teacher's name. I will right click and copy. Now I'm going to select the supervisor. So I will click on the select button, and it is asking which patron I'd like to find. Well, I want to find that teacher whose name is the name of the homeroom. So I have clicked in the block and right click paste, or I actually use Control V, and we're going to search. And her last name is Keen. So we go, these are in alphabetical order. We go all the way down. Here we go. Keen Laura, all the way across. Now, if you click on the view button, you can see what the name is, but of course we're not going to view, we want to select. Unfortunately, select does not show the person's name, but once you click select, you get to see it here. So if you accidentally picked the wrong person, just click select again and go through that process so that you can get the right person. So yes, this is the person I want as supervisor for this homeroom, and I click save, and look at the magic. Now that teacher's name is listed as a supervisor, and smart old Destiny brought in her email address. So let's try that again with the homeroom for Krieger. And we go over here. We copy the teacher's name, and we are going to select her as supervisor. I'm going to Control V to put her name in here and click search, and ABC order right there. We go across, click on view to make sure I have the right person, then go over to select. Did I get it? Oh, I did. Good job. I click save, go on, and now for that homeroom we have the teacher identified as the supervisor, which pulls in her district address. That allows me to be able to set up or schedule automated email notices so that these teachers can help us remind our sweet darlings to return their books. I'm going to end the video here, but I will go ahead and fix these other ones so that if Miss Earl chose to, she could use that feature. Y'all have a good afternoon.